Hello, my name is Roman Kornvitz, and together with my wife Anna, we've ordered renovation from Mr. Abdulhafez, or just Abdel as he calls himself. Let me show you the apartment, how it looks like, and the quality of the work. The guy, Abdel, looks like this. And yeah, that's his face again. That is the contract that we've signed with him. The company is called Packers Team KFT, but this is his name. This is his signature. This is when the renovation should have started on the 1st of February, and it should have finished by the 1st of June. Now, as you can see, there is today's newspaper, and it's 20th of July, so it's almost 2-month delay from the original ETA. And the apartment looks like this. So there is no floor. The ceiling is painted, but the quality is very, very bad. He's supposed to renovate all the doors. The doors look like this, look like this. This is the living room. Nothing is ready. And the funny thing is that they started painting, very expensive paint on the ceiling, even though it's not straight. It's kind of a stupid thing to do. Okay, that's another room. Nothing is ready. Even the floor, you see, it's not the same level. So he's left it like this. And the funny part that he's not responding. He started ghosting us. He's not answering our emails. He's not answering in Facebook. He's not answering in WhatsApp. But he keeps advertising his services in Facebook. So he's obviously using his social networks. And yeah. And now I want to show you the quality of the work that Abdel does. Давайте покажем. So we'll be using the level, standard level, and we can see, yeah, the quality of the walls. Every wall we measure is not straight. Давайте покажем то, что в прошлый раз. Вот тут можно начать с этого.
Если двери ставить будет изначально по уровню, то вот на низ уходит.
So it's supposed to be a door here, right? But how do you install a door if you do it by a level? It's not possible. Тут, давайте покажем. This, here you can see, yeah, if you want to do it straight, you can see the whole hand goes there. Yeah. This is relatively straight. Вот там вот интересно. I think you can see it with your naked eye. That this one is very not straight. Давайте вот эту стену покажем. Oh yeah. So it connects here, but there you can see the fingers behind this, the equipment behind the level. Давайте другие комнаты.
Самые проблемные места это там, где будет примыкание двери.
So for instance, yeah, the walls should be straight if you're installing a door, right? But if you want to install them 90 degrees to the floor, and this is like this. Okay. Идем дальше. Можно ванну показать. Я сейчас. So this is how his team does the connections. Just have a look how beautiful this is. This is supposed to be 90 degrees. That is madness. Here it's supposed to be straight, but it's not straight at all. There is like a shelf. And even this wall with the tiles. You can see the left one goes like this. Это дальше.
Правда, я думаю, будет снимать, потому что там будет, наверное, вообще катастрофа.
So, давайте вот это покажу. This wooden piece of wall is very straight. You can see, super straight, but it's like the wall devouring the door. See, it's like 1 centimeter here, but here, let me show you. Here it's like same level. That is mad. Oh, let's put it higher, yes. Yeah. You can see how not straight this is. И вот та стена, где должно быть зеркало. So we're supposed to have a mirror from here, from туда. I see it took out, but need to put it more here. And you can see there are no mirrors like that you could hang, and they would have such a curvature. Yes. So this is the quality of Abdel's work. Давайте покажем плитку только. So here is how he puts tiles. This is kitchen. And you can see that every tile is on separate level, on a different level. It's like here. And the wall itself, it's so curved, so wavy. Yeah.
Примыкание столешницы.
And let's put like this. Yeah. And you can see this is supposed to be one line. This is not one line at all. So these expensive tiles, they look horrible.
Вверх сделан лучше, чем низ. Вот тут примыкание столешницы. Вот столешница.
And here's supposed to be furniture, but how do you connect furniture if the wall is like this? So it's going to be a huge gap from one side or another. This is crazy. Спасибо. This is where we should have another wall, door. And the wall is like this. So you get a picture. And he also was supposed to refurbish all the doors in the apartment. And this is what he did. You can see. It also was supposed to be a straight line. And you can see it from here. Да? Oh, that's ладно. So this is like a minor difference in level, which is more or less acceptable. И дверь давайте вот покажем, которая фиолетовая.
Ладно, давайте мы так не будем делать. Тогда вы у нас тоже так будете работать, я не знаю. Да ладно там.
Вы же хорошо сделаете. So this is supposed to be a straight straight door, and they promised to fix it, and that's in the contract. So it's nothing that we agreed or asked him to do later. So this is supposed to be straight line, right? And here it's relatively straight. Here it's like this. Here it's like this. So now I guess you understand the quality of Abdel's work. And the worst thing about him is that he's not like arguing that this is okay, but he's just disappeared completely. He's ghosting us everywhere. He's still on Facebook, he's still online, he's still advertising his services, but he's not answering us. Very convenient. Okay, I hope it will be useful for you and it will help you not to work with Abdel.